Good morning. Today we are going to start module number 5, home automation system. It comes under lecture number 20. Okay. So in this lecture I am going to discuss about the necessity of home automation system and what type of blocks are available to design this home automation system. Can anyone please give me the reply about home automation? Anyone? Please give the reply. Home automation. Yes. Yeah. Okay. That is home automation means which is to access by using the remote control mechanism. Okay. For various household functions. For example, there is a television will be there. Okay. You want to change the program channels. So how to do? We will set it in one place, and by using the remote control you are operating it. That is one home automation. And if you want to change the temperature of the air conditioner, there is a remote will be there. And for every devices there is a remote access system will be there, so we can operate it. And if you want to change the speed of the fan, there is a remote control device which is designed by the GE, which is available in the market. Okay, so to change the, instead of going and change the regulator which is fixed in the wall, if you are having the remote, you can easily access to change the fan speed. Okay, so the home automation, which is nothing but it's a technology to automate or remote control functions for various household applications. Okay, and for example, if you want to change, there is a operation for lighting system or heating or entertainment devices, which is operated by using a remote devices. And to monitor this remote devices, which will be interconnected with the computers by using a wiring mechanism. Okay, by using wiring mechanism. In this diagram you see there is a different types of household applications are available, household devices are available. Okay, for lighting system and to change the screen. Okay, there is access which is happening. This mobile will be operated by using the Wi-Fi connections. It is a smart home control. Okay, I can control the lighting and I can control the screening system, and in meanwhile I can control the air conditioning temperature system, and I can change the program devices, and I can control the music devices also. So all these 5 devices are incorporated in this mobile. So we can say it will be a smart home control. So in this lecture I am going to explain what is a necessity and what are the components of home automation and what type of block diagrams are available and why we need this home automation. Definition I already explained. Home automation means which is a technology to automate or remote control various household applications. Okay. For example, if you can put a light, okay, or schedule, that is for light is there, we can schedule it for turn off time. For that light will be operated only for 5 minutes or 1 hour or 10 hours period. Okay, after 1 hour you want to, for example, you are operating the light by exactly 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, that is the time which you are specifying it. And when a person is going for normal sleep by 1 p.m., at that time the light should automatically should be on. So such that we have to design, make the program, okay, by using the if else statement. And in terms of, in the, if you can have use the thermostat in your house, turn the AC, okay, for an hour, just an hour before you return back to the work. Okay, so like that we can design it. Like in terms of, if you want to do some automation in home, we can save the energy. Okay, if we save the energy, then automatically our electricity bill will be saved, so you can pay a less amount. That is one of the speciality in that. Maybe a home automation make a person to lazy, okay, make the person too lazy, but it will be save and energy. It is some drawback is there, but advantages are more here. Okay, and we'll see the need. The purpose of home automation is to make simple, better, and easy to access. Okay, and it's fully automated, and it's a integration of multiple technology into one system. Okay, for example, there is a one mobile is there. By using one mobile, you can operate a small touch screen will be there. If you by using the touch screen, you can operate the entire devices which are fixed in the building. Yes, yes, it is highly secured. It is highly secured. Yes, it is highly secure. But one more drawback is there. Suppose if your pin access system, if you forget the pin access system, what happened? What happened? A particular owner can access it. Access it. It is a security device. No doubt in that. It is a fully security device. Okay. This picture shows the IoT, because nowadays everyone talking about IoT. Okay, IoT means Internet of Things with home automation. Okay. Normally, this IoT we can operate by using this IoT, because by using the smart light bulbs that you can turn on and turn off by using the IoT devices. Okay, by using the IoT devices. Normally, all the home automation equipments, air conditioning system, refrigerator, television system, fan, all this nowadays they are operated by using the IoT devices. So IoT and home automation which will be integrated with each other, which will be integrated with each other. Okay, so this signal shows, this symbol or signal which shows this IoT devices. The theory is available here. Normally, this home automation we can call it as smart homes. Okay, we can call it as smart homes. There are some features are available here. The first feature is what it is. This one. This one called as remote climate control. Remote climate control device. This picture shows a remote climate control. This remote climate control which control the temperature of your home via smart homes, okay, through an internet connection, through an internet connection. The second one is this one, called it as anyone, programmable events. Okay, programmable events, you see the lights, this is nothing but programmable events. This programmable events, you are programming your light, heating, and entertainment system means television system and musical systems to turn on for automatic at a certain time, that is for 1 hour or 5 hours like that. Okay, for example, if you wake up in the morning to pre-lit or preheated bathroom with your favorite radio station play, okay, in the bed itself you can operate it. The third one, which is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency. This nothing but energy efficiency is nothing but energy management system, which allows homeowners to target energy usage to reduce the energy waste. Okay, if you turn off the light automatically for unused purposes in the rooms, so we can save the energy. Okay, so there are three basic components are available in home automation. The first one is smart wiring. The first one is smart wiring. This is, if you make the smart wiring properly, then only we can make the home entertainment it is in normal way. And the control system. Control system means for streaming services. Third one is internet connectivity for smart lighting. So there are three necessary components are available in home automation. One is smart wiring, control system and internet connectivity. In optional, we can say it will be home entertainment, streaming services, smart lighting. Any doubts? Okay. How does this home automation will work? Normally, this home automation will be working via the internet through a different communication protocols, maybe a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or Zigbee and others. And also by using these internet communication protocols, there is a electronic interface devices will be there. That is nothing but Google Assistant or Alexa or an app. Many apps are available nowadays in the market. And there are different types of IoT sensors are available in the market to monitor the change in the motion. That is, motion means your movement, a person movement, and temperature and light depends upon the surrounding. Okay, to make a physical changes to the devices, the user can trigger actuators, a physical mechanisms like lighting switches and monitorized valves or motors that allow devices to be controlled remotely. There are three levels are available in home automation works. The first level is monitoring. Second level is monitoring means camera. Okay. Second level is control. Control means it is a remotely devices control. Third one is automation. Automation means it is a security cameras. You can say it will be a security camera which will detect the motion. So there are three levels are available. One is monitoring, second one is control, third one is automation. In control, there are four types of protocols are available. One is Wi-Fi, another one Z-Wave. Z-Wave means wireless. It will be called wireless technology, which is operated at 90842 megahertz. And Zigbee. Zigbee, it is a universal language. And the other name of Zigbee, it is a Bluetooth is there. Bluetooth means it will be a mesh technology that lets people control and monitor IoT devices and automated devices, which is normally used in our mobile phones. Necessity of this home automation. Time, because depends upon our time or changing. Second one, resources management, which is increased more. Time management is very important, and it allows us to improve our care giving. Home automation, which creates a more hospital environment. Improved security, increased safety, provide better care to family, increased energy efficiency, improved productivity, manage all your home devices from one place. It is flexibility for new devices, because nowadays in the market, if you want to buy an refrigerator, the person who is there in the shop, the executive person, he will say, sir, what type of refrigerator you need? You need energy management refrigerator, which saves the energy, and 5-star refrigerators are available. Maximizing home security, remote control for home functions. If you buy a fan, there is a fans with remote control access systems are available. Increased energy efficiency, improved appliance functionality, home management insight. Okay, these are the 15 types of necessities are available for home management. One is time, another one is resource management, third one is time management, and fourth one is improve our caregiving, and fifth one is home automation, which creates a more hospitable environment. Sixth one, improved security, increased safety, provide better care to families, and increased energy savings, improved productivity. Like that, home security is also be there. And if you have home security, normally there is a energy efficiency will be there. If they have energy efficiency, there will be energy security is there. Okay, so the all this call it as necessity of home automation. This is a block diagram of home automation. This home automation will be declassified into three systems block diagram. One is weather station, second one is central unit, third one is surveillance system. When we come to weather station, there is a microcontroller system which is available. This microcontroller system which will be integrated with the personal computer and which is integrated with LCD display, memory, sensors to measure the temperature of that particular house, humidity level, pressure and illumination, that is nothing but light. And this is sensor. The next one, devices, lighting system, storm detectors. And how to operate, there is a GSM mode and a GPRS modem and a GPS receiver devices will be there. Here in microsystem there is a transmitter devices and receiver devices will be there. In transmitter it should be connected with the wireless via to central unit. Central unit means which is also the microsystem which will be receive the signal from the weather station and it will be sent it to the surveillance system. Surveillance system means call it as there is a door, window, IPR sensor or motion detectors are available. Okay, this is the entire structure of home automation system block diagram. This is the overall view in the home. Now in terms of theory, we can call it as the theory content is there. You can go through this content. We'll explain this content here. So when you come to this first content, there are three components are available. One is weather station, central unit, another one surveillance system. Normally the surveillance system will provide information regarding the status of windows, door. Door means whether it will be open or closed, and movement detector in the area of interest, etc. This surveillance system which is used to identify unwanted intrusions and illicit presence in the home. Okay, and the central unit, this system can operate a whole with central unit being a part which coordinate the whole operation. The communication devices between the module is be linked with RF link. You see here the communication devices within central unit and weather station which will be linked with RF link. The maximum distance of this module depends upon the RF. That is RF means radio frequency link, which is called as home architecture. Okay, actually this RF technology ensure the coverage of distance and wall materials within a normal house. Okay, there are two modules which will be collected the data, process the data and displayed in the central unit. Okay, central unit which is displayed here, which is displayed in the central unit. The data can be transmitted through in a PC for further analysis and processing. And here you see a weather station and a surveillance system can be operated only in the standalone mode. Okay, normally this weather station block, this module can be placed outside of the house because to measure the temperature and what is the humidity level and what is the wind speed. Okay, all these gadgets which we can parameters which we can measure through the GPS server which you can measure it. Now you see this is a simple block diagram for a lighting purpose. This is smartphone which will be have, it is called a app which will be installed in the phone and this will be enabled by using the Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller. There is a SPDT. SPDT means single pole double throw relay switch will be there. This switch will be operated with 230 volt AC power supply and there are four modules which I connected. Home appliances A, home appliances B, home appliance C, home appliance D. Home appliance A means it is a bulb. Home lens BB is another bulb which is connected, or otherwise you can connect it with the television. Home appliance C means there is a refrigerator. Home appliance D means fan. Like that we can connect it. And this microcontroller, which will be a 16FF877A microcontroller chip Atmega 32L, or other we can use the 64-bit bit microcontroller. It is called 64-pin microcontroller chip. We can connect it here. For communication gateway, we need a wireless modem. Okay, and this microcontroller chip we can operate by using the 5G or 4G Bluetooth module, and the number of channel in the relay, which is mainly depends upon the number of applications. For example, there are, if I am connecting the 4 application, means that I have to connect 4 relays. I can connect 4 relays. And the Arduino board in Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller Arduino board will be operated by 12 volt. Okay, which is operated by 12 volt. And there is a Bluetooth module can perform the data transfer operations in master slave mode, which you already studied in microcontroller subject. Okay, master slave mode. And also here there is they are using the UART. Okay, transfer mode option. UART means universal asynchronous receiver / transmitter. This mode, which is used to communicate with another devices like a laptop and mobile phones, etc. Okay, in this case a Bluetooth module can be paired with Android phone and native Android app as to control the appliances. The fundamental function of the relay, which is used to control the appliances such as fan, light, okay, fridge, air conditioners. It provides a complete isolation from Arduino, and another module is to isolate the high voltage, because to protect the devices from the high voltage, this relay will be plays a major role. Any doubts in this block diagram? This okay. Now this normally the microcontroller based microsystem will be operated by using the following 4 features. The first feature will be operated in standalone operation. The second one is data collections by using the sensors and processing it. Third one is connectivity from PC to modules for data transfer, debugging and software updating. Fourth one is local data display and temporary local data storage. Any doubts? In a simple manner, home automation, which is for only for saving. Okay, if you install the home automation devices in your house, we can save. And second one is safety. Third one is convenience. And fourth one is control. These are 4 important parameters which you can access. Okay, for example, if you are installing a smart light bulbs in your houses, we can save the energy. Automatically we can cut the utility cost over time. Okay, and also to pump the water from ground level to top level tank, we need a home automation sensor devices. Okay, when the water level reach a top level in the tank in the higher mode, automatically the motor will be installed in the lower level bottom layer, which should be off, depends upon the level of the tank which will be reached, so which will prevent the water bill. Okay, in terms of safety is very important, because security cameras are there, sensor devices which you are fitting it. Okay, to avoid the unwanted visitors entering into your room. Convenience, it is also be important in this manner. Any doubts? Smart locks are available nowadays for doors. There are smart locks are available, and what is that? Wi-Fi devices are available, and touch screens are available to open the door, and there is a pin configuration is available to access the door locks. Okay, and all these devices will be operated by using the RF connectivity, radio frequency connectivity, by using the GSM communication. Now you can see this video. Video sound is visible. Students, video sound is visible. 1 second. Now it's okay. Now the sound is visible, audible. Sound is audible now.
Morning.
Good morning, Mummy. Good morning, Daddy.
With just a tap of the button, change the mood of the room, be it feeling the sunshine or playing some soothing sounds.
With just a little, you can enhance those simple joys of life. Add pretty little surprises to them as well. And maybe even to them. You got to finish all that milk, okay?
Makes you strong, but candy makes you sweet. It's always good to know who's knocking at our door. Shall we go?
Let's go.
Come, baby.
Come, Duck. Be a good girl, okay?
Today the cook will make whatever you want. You just have fun. Okay, give me a kiss.
Aw, one for me. Now go inside. Bye.
Bye.
Safety can't be left to chance, especially when it's for your loved one.
I can watch my favorite shows without looking at various remotes.
This is not okay. Here's a better... Huh? Why not make things even better?
Wow!
Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bugs bite. Mwah. Mwah.
Good
night. Darling, could you check on the main door, please?
just one tap to ensure safety and a peaceful night of sleep.
What about the electricity usage? Did you check on that?
122. Not bad.
Great.
Come on. I may hide, but I always know what's going on outside.
I'm so glad you got there. It was so
But
difficult.
who?
It's you. I knew it. Okay. So where's the party tomorrow?
Oh!
I can not only see what's happening in my community, but book a hall for special occasions as well.
With Schneider,
Eric?
Life is on.
Students, any doubts? Students, any doubts? Okay. And the video is understandable? Video is understandable or not? Okay. Ashu Anand, you are here? Okay. Because I thought your photo is different. I thought some schoolboy joined. Okay. Students, please listen. This your Google Classroom. Yesterday I have uploaded this syllabus and study material of CAE 2. Please listen carefully. CAE 2. Okay. The portion for CAE 2. You know the CAE 2 syllabus? You know CAE 2 syllabus? The CAE 2 syllabus is 3 laboratory videos. Since the subject is integrated with the lab component. Okay. So there are 3 lab videos and 3 module. Module 3, module 4. Module 3 is file RLM system. Module 4 is, what is module 4? Access control system. Okay. Now by seeing this video, the question pattern is 25 marks. The first 2 questions is 10 mark. The 10 marks are come from this modules only. This lab video modules. Are you understand my point? Okay. So 20 marks I am taking from this lecture video, this laboratory videos. So please watch the video and you have to write the answer. Okay. So the answer will be related to your lab. It is similar to lab experiments only. And the remaining questions which I am going to take it from module 3 and module 4. Theory part which is available. Okay. The exam for the CAE 2 it is on 19th of next week morning. And you know the only you know the assignment deadline. Assignment. Today is the last date. Okay. So as per the academic calendar, today I have to enter the marks in the Contino portal, in the official portal by today at 5 p.m. So this instruction, Anirudh is there. Anirudh. Students, please listen. The assignment 2 submission date is today. Before 4 p.m. you have to upload the marks. Upload the PDF document. Okay. I have to give the marks by 4 p.m. and I have to enter the same in the Contino portal. If any latecomers are there, just I will put 0 and I am going to enter in the Contino portal by 5 p.m. by today. Understand? Only till date, out of 55 students, only 14 students submitted the assignment. Okay, only 14 students. I will show this assignment 2. Okay, now 15. Okay, only 15 submitted. You see these names. Only Mohammad Nomanbar, Grishma, Sartak, Nistal, Kavipriya, Kiran, Sagar Kulkarni, Naveen, Ponnappa, Shushma, Darshini, Manjunath Nayak, Prajwal, Chitra, Sharan. Only 15 students submitted. Remaining these fellows are defaulters. So please, all these people should submit the assignment by today before 4 p.m. Okay. Now please answer your attendance. Abhishek Kumar. Okay. Alan Harish. Okay. Anirudh. Anirudh. Anirudh present. Absent. Appaji. Appaji absent. Ashu Anand. Present. Bharat. 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 Absent. Bhumika. Lakshmipadi. Okay. Chitra. Lakshmipadi. Sorry, Chitra. Chitra Darshini. Okay. Divyasri. Divyasri. Absent. Kavipriya. Kavipriya. Absent. Gangana. Okay. Shivakumar. Ganla Shivakumar. Absent. Grishma. Present. Okay. Grishma. Jafar. Jafar Sadiq. Jafar. Jafar absent. Jibran. Jibran absent. Nandesh. Karthik. Karthik absent. Kiran. Lingareddy present. Manoj Kumar. Manoj Kumar. Manoj Kumar absent. Mohammed Jilani. Mohammed Jilani absent. Mohammed Umar Ali. Mohammed Umar Ali absent. Mohammed Tagore Ali. Mohammed Tagore Ali absent. Naveen Kumar. Naveen Kumar. Okay. Naira present. Okay. Naira. Okay. Niranjan. Nischal. Ponnappa. Ponnappa. Ponnappa absent. Prapatraj. Prapatraj present. Prajwal. Okay, okay. Prajwal. 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 Prajwal present. Absent. No problem. Rachana. Okay. Rachana present. Rohan. Okay. Rutik. Rutik absent. Sagar Kulkarni. Sahana. Sahana. Sahana absent. Sanjay. Sartak. Segar. 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 Segar absent. Okay. Shiva. Okay. Siddharth. Okay. Vikram. Vinayaka. Vishwadeepak. Mohammed Numan Bhatt. Tahura. Mohammed Numan Bhatt absent. Tahura. Tahura absent. Tahura absent. Kiran? Kiran present. Kiran. Yeah. Vishwa Deepak present? Okay. Absent is Tahura and Muhammad Numan Bhatt. Likita absent. Manjunath? Manjunath absent. Shushma? Sushmita? Okay. Sharon? Arsha? Arish? Okay, ma. Thank you. You may leave. Thank you. Hello? Sanjay, number? Tell me. We need a smart absent. Okay. Okay. Where I mark the absent? Which I sent? Mars thing I shared only for this CAE one only, not a quiz. Quiz mark that you know. Which one, man? Because quiz not that I am not sharing quiz mark. Because quiz mark you know, right? Wait. Quiz mark you know, right? How you know you are marked absent? Which one you got it? Where you got it? Marks. Which subject? Which subject? For no, my subject quiz one na. Your quiz one na. Sanjay. Sanjay, you see, you got 2 out of 4 marks. You got it 2. I have entered Sanjay. 4 marks. You got it 2. What is the doubt? You share that file. You share that file. I want to see. Otherwise I'll put absent here. You share that file. Which group you got it? Whether I shared the document? Whether I shared it? No. Whether I shared the document? Anything? Without my knowledge, how you are saying I shared the document? I shared only that assignment. This one, what is that? CAE only. Assignment and quiz mark that everybody knows. It is an automatic generation. You know your mark. Before giving